We are going to have fun with Asante Kotoko. I like to say in Chibiana Ablante said Dauda Sakan Wisina Kadema Tano Bafakwa. A sua we the Pebrimu last season on Capitano Ablante Dauda Saka bit me assign permanent contract with Asante Kotoko in the coming week. It be bit me this week with my son Edama Asante Kotoko. To see the Oguso on Asante Kotoko, it comes on a personal terms and it is almost done. Nana Tanobo for quite a demand, and I say a buona da a brand difference Dauda Sakaso a 200,000 Ghana cedis and that Dauda Sakaso. Na Kotoko Super so Musubima Tanobo for quite 150,000 Ghana cedis. Oh, honum. Yes, abrante no atimi abɛ medicals and the bibia ho adama Asante Kotoko na 2024-2025 league season no bon se Dauda Saka ayam ne bi no osina academy Tano Bofo kwa na abrante no gina mu pampe totontena abrante no the meeting say onya striker but otimi hwe goals super na me hwe the videos mi na da abrante no hwe goals power anti oba Kotoko so enye bad ehon emfama Asante Kotoko yes ti Dauda Saka na Asante Kotoko won sensem no de akowie ni se enche bia na abrante no abepimu Asante Kotoko asoye na obesi akan de ama Asante Kotoko hono abrante ni phone na that screen is no o hwe sisi yi Mokoba, betumi follow, betumi so like, betumi so subscribe e wo YouTube e de amaye e wo honom na sisi aso. But for the mugu so amoye adwuma, mo boy adwuma se be ya Kotoko betumi nya the needed players for next season no se be ya nya fe na yakotana stadium akoyo oha bia ho. Eno ne ade ba ko ho no Kotoko supporter wo hye no so. E mo no nye se wo Kotoko supporter. Team Bakope, Team Papa Bakope, and one Asante Kotoko, and the rest, yes, whether you like it or not, it is Kotoko, and the rest, we are going to have fun with Asante Kotoko. It's not a brand difference. Dauda Saka, Chibiano, Obawe Asante Kotoko. Prayer. Sebibia ambisi kwa dia abrante no oni Asante Kotoko whereby ejuma honom yes they say in the be say to say the moment forgetting now baby yes I'm forgetting okay me no aso what him shalom peace papa